sure that you put the name of your business in the chat. Let us know who you are, where you're from. What is your industry? If you have the NAICS code for your industry, make sure you put that in there. And what do you need help with? Right? Let us know what you need help with. How can you help other people as well? And most importantly, what's your contact information, guys? This is an opportunity to build those relationships, to network. That is the #1 way to me at doing government contracting. Network with other people. A lot of people make this process hard because they're trying to do everything themselves. But I promise you, if you guys can start teaming with other like-minded individuals, and most importantly, just having a conversation with other like-minded people, things are going to start to change for you. So again, make sure that you are putting that information down in there. Mario, what's going on, my brother? Pleasure to see you here. Thanks for showing up. Tony, what's happening with you as well? I hope that you're having an amazing day.